this is Tocumwal on the Murray River, and we're actually on the New South Wales side. So I've just got the solar blankets on at the moment. We just had to park the car in the sun. So we've got the fridge going. But this is our little setup that we've got here. So we've got the Murray River over here, Victoria that side, New South Wales this side, and that's our setup. If we pop down here now, and I think Christy's trying to make some sort of a seat or something on the beach there.
At least we know.
Did you only make it for one person? How good is that?
Oh,
now there's all
So we're going to cook some dinner, probably just have some jaffles, cheese, spaghetti, baked bean jaffles, and that's oh, this is going to be awesome. Spaghetti jaffle. A little bit on burnt around there, but nice. Yeah, good. Probably not. It's going. We've got a nice little bit of wood there happening. There's Mum. Wave, hi.
So what side are we on? Are we on the Victorian side or the...
I've just told everyone that we're on the New South Wales side, but I'm pretty sure now we're on the Victorian side. So actually, over there behind us is actually New South Wales. So us Victorians are still in Victoria. Bloody weather's cold on this side. Have a look at it over there in New South Wales. Beautiful. That is so good. Wonder what the rich people are doing today. Working to pay off their bloody mortgage. This is my life now, and I'm loving it. I just think it's something that Andrew's had on his bucket list for a long, long time, and it's to actually camp on a beach. So he's actually, there, he's on the beach here, right in front of the river. So oh wow, show me how you pick one.
Go put them all in the thing, Max. Yeah, put them in the container.
Yes.
Big one.
Big one. Yeah, that's a good one. Eat it. Well, this is our last day here at Tocumwal, and I thought, well, why not? I've just got to finish it off and go for a swim before we go. She's probably hit around the 30-degree mark now, so she's going to be pretty warm today. And we're almost hitched up, ready to go. So I'm thinking, yep, going for one last step. Cool down, it should be nice. Oh, I tell you what, that is really refreshing. Loved it here. Never been here before. Always been on the bucket list. I had always wanted to camp on a beach next to a river, and and just be with family. It's been awesome. This has got to be one of the best places I've been to so far. And I got to admit, I haven't been to a lot yet, but it's going to have to be some places that are really going to have to be good to knock this place off. So if anyone wants to know where we are, Tocumwal, come here. Oh, and the pub meal was awesome. Yeah, one of the best steaks I've had for a long time. And the pepper gravy was actually pepper gravy. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna go for a swim. In we go. You just can't wipe the smile off my face. If I die tomorrow, I'm dying a happy man. This is awesome. All right, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this vid. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll have some more vid up soon. I don't know if it's going to be better than this. Let's give it a go. All right, cheers, guys. G'day, Australia. Andrew, you on channel, mate?
Yeah, I'm on channel.
Okay, so we're heading off too, mate. So where do you reckon we'll catch up with you?
Probably Broome or Perth or something like that.
Okay, I reckon that'll be awesome. Okay, so you guys have a safe travel, and we'll see you in a couple of months in Broome.
See you then.
Cheers, mate.
Or maybe Tassie.
Okay, we'll see you in Tassie.
Or South Australia.
Hey, I'm happy to do that.
See you back in Rosebud.
Roger that. Okay, we're out. Safe travels.
You too, mate. Say bye to none of your puppy.
Bye.
Huh?